Hello guys, good day to you all. All right, so quickly, my intention for this short video is to show us what I've been seeing on Gbpusd USD. All right, so let's just quickly look at some of the things that I'm looking at. Okay, so we're going to be checking from the weekly time frames, just a brief analysis of what to expect. So checking from weekly time frame and then looking from weekly, we can see that the bullish trend started on the 18th 09 2022. 09, I think that's July. Okay, so the up move started since July, and then the market has actually moved about. Let me check how many pips has moved. Has moved 2,451 pips up. 2,451 pips up, and there's still more room for Gbpusd USD to go up. But what are we seeing here? Okay, so basically we could decide to make use of the trend line here. All right, I had this trend line in place a few weeks back, and I discovered that there was a breakout from the trend line. There was a retouch, and then the market is about to continue the up move. But then if you check this properly, you see that the pressure is not so much encouraging from this angle. All right, but then I tried to go on the daily time frame to check if there's anything interesting here. But then before I go to daily time frame, you could see that there's high possibility of the market moving up to this zone that we have here. Let me identify that zone. Okay, so there's high possibility that the market could possibly move up to this particular zone that we have here. All right, it's actually a resistance connected to this, and then we have it here, so which is at 1.3350. From the current level, we're talking about another 500 pips price move expected. Another 500 pips price move up expected. Okay, but let's check the daily time frame if there will be some adjustment. Now, the bullish trend is actually really very intact in the triangular configuration. You can see that we have our lower low here, our higher lows here. Okay, we have another higher low here. There was a bit of a compromise here, which could actually possibly change the direction of the market. We all know if you're a structure trader, you know that at the break of a structure, it means that the structure of the market is changing. Okay, but then you can see that the market didn't really respond to the break. Okay, so we have another one here, higher low, another higher low here, and then we have another established higher low here. All right, then, so which means that we could actually still get another higher low from the current level. Okay, so using the trend line, we could probably decide to use the trend line from here, but I don't want to use the trend line. I want to check if there is a possibility for a good place where we could pick a buy trade. You know, the trend is your friend, right? So now looking at this, we should get another higher low from 1.267, which will be a very good place for us to place our buy. All right, so this is what I'm looking at. All right, so we already have a breakout. We have a fake out that happened here, and then there's a bullish engulfing candle. Then the market pressed up. So I'm expecting a pushback to 1.2669 for another push up. Okay, so this is my expectation. And then the market really tried not to range at this junction before the move up. It tried not to range at that junction there. So this is what I'm expecting. So a break, a retouch here, we should see a move up from there. And then for those that would like to, I think there are fundamentals that could actually push it up. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frame here, a close like this would mean something really bad for the Gbpusd, because that would propel the sell-off that we're expecting to this point. Okay, so this is all I can see on Gbpusd USD. So ultimately, we are expecting a sell to just a moment, please. It sell to 1.26 1.26 thereabouts. For a buy to 1.33. Then we should look to sell from the 1.33 zone. So this will be our perfect sell entry, and then this will be our perfect buy entry. All right, thank you for joining. This is just a brief analysis. I'll try as much as possible to release some analysis also in the coming week. All right, take care of yourself.